So let us start with the test for proteins. So क्या चलेंगे हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलेंगे. So what will be the first step? Take a small quantity of food item. As usual, क्योंकि हम food items में पता कर रहे हैं कि whether the carbohydrates are present or proteins are present. So yes, this is the test for protein, and we are going firstly to take the small amount of food items. Okay. So if solid, make a paste of it or powder. So क्या करना है हमें? छोटा सा आपने food item लिया. For example, we took a small amount of food items, right? And if it is solid, for example, it is in a solid form, you have to crush it into the powdery form like this. All right? So this will be the powder form of whatever product or food item we have taken. All right? So this is one thing. Now, next will be put some in the clean test tube. अब आपने क्या करना है next? You have to put this food material into one clean test tube. This will be the test tube, right? And you have to put this food item inside the test tube. Now, what will be the next step? Add 10 drops of water and shake the test tube. अब आपने क्या करना है इसमें? We have to add few drops of water, right? 10 mentioned here. 10 drops of water. H2O पता है, H2O is the formula for water, right? Now, next will be using dropper, add 2 drops of copper sulfate. अब हमने क्या करना है? This is the test tube, right? And अभी इसमें क्या क्या है? For example, this is the water content, and these are the small dots are the what? Food material, right? In a powder form. Now, what we have to do is, with the help of a dropper, right? So this is the dropper. Please don't mind my diagram. ठीक है, diagram कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? So हमने क्या किया? 2 drops of copper sulfate we added in it, right? It has copper sulfate now. Got it? So yes. Now next step will be 10 drops of solution of caustic soda to the test tube. अब आपने क्या करना है? और apart from copper sulfate डालने के बाद what we have to do is we have to add 10 drops of plus, I'm writing here only, plus 10 drops of caustic soda. 10 drops of caustic soda. So yes, अब एक बार और रिवाइज कर लेते हैं क्या क्या हमने यूज किया है. फर्स्ट हमने लिया है small amount of food content in a powder form. आपने उसको mix कर दिया अच्छे से so that it becomes a little powdery, right? Or a paste. It can be in the form of powder also, or it can be in the form of paste also, right? So this is just a rough diagram of what a paste form will look like, right? So now what we have done, हमने क्या किया है? इस powder form को या paste form को we have taken it into the test tube, right? Then after that we added 10 drops of water in it, right? And we shaked it really well. आपने अच्छे से shake कर लिया test tube को. Next, आपने add किया है 2 drops of copper sulfate, right? And after that we have added 10 drops of caustic soda. Now shake well and let the test tube stand for few minutes. अब आपने क्या करना है? सब कुछ mix करने के बाद, after doing every step, all these steps, you have to let the test tube stand for a while. ठीक है, कुछ देर आपने उसको वैसे ही रखना है so that आपको results आए, right? And you wait for the observation कि आपको if the color changes, and अगर color change हो रहा है तो कौन सा color change हो रहा है, right? So that will only indicate if the protein is present inside that food material or not, right?